Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's hair is from Beauty Forever. So this is how it came. I got a elastic band, a pack of wig caps, and a pair of nails. And then this is going to be the wig. It is HD, glueless. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. As you can see, it is a lace closure. It does have the adjustable elastic band on the inside with the grip. So your wig is going to be nice and secure when you tighten it. It's already pre-customized, so it's plucked and bleached and all that good stuff. So this is me trying the wig on right out of the packaging, and just like that, it looks really good. Of course, we're going to touch up the lace and everything, but the wig is made really well. So to tint the lace, I just use my foundation. I'm just going to apply that on the inside of the lace. And then I'm going to place the wig back on my head. And as you can see, that blended in so well. And all I did was add some foundation. So I couldn't find my wax stick. I took this hair serum and I'm going to apply a very small amount onto just the top right here of the wig, so I can then go over that with the hot comb and kind of press it down a little bit. Not too much, but I definitely did want to go over it with the hot comb. And the last thing I'm going to do for this wig is wet it. I wasn't going to wet it because, as you guys can see, it came out the package really nicely, but I feel like it's good to wet the hair so we can see like the true nature of the hair and what the waves actually look like. And I absolutely love this curl pattern. It just gives effortless, wet and wavy, perfect for vacation and things like that. You literally just add some water and go. And as I mentioned in the beginning, this wig is glueless. I didn't use any products to secure this lace down. No glue, no gel, no hairspray. It's just rested on the top of my head. Like I said, it does have that adjustable elastic band on the inside that you can tighten it to fit your head. It also has the grip on it, so it's going to stay in place and it's not going to move. It's really nice and snug. And I love the no baby hair look. It just gives effortless, saves so much time. Just get up and go. You're out the door. We're not spending 30